Good morning, Scotty J. And James here. We're in Progreso. We're in Progreso. My phone needs charging because I got in late last night and I couldn't find the charger to charge my phone.
You said charger's always in the same spot.
So, we just like to have breakfast in the buffet. I can tell you right now, scrambled eggs, bacon,
I'm doing fresh eggs, bitch, fresh eggs.
pancakes, or waffles, or French toast. I mean, you know. A couple slices of ham. Same Carnival breakfast buffet. We may get off the ship and do a little looky-looky, but...
Shopping, get a bottle of liquor. A little bit of chocolate.
I don't know, we may go eat some tacos. Some...
Progreso don't have tacos.
No, they have, Cheryl and Jeremy were talking about a place in between where you get off the bus and the free beach. That's 2 for $5 margaritas and street tacos. So I think we're going to do that today. So Cheryl and Jeremy, thank you for the recommendation. We're going to go have some street tacos and 2 for $5, which I'm sure is 2 for $6 margaritas now. But anyways, we're going to do it. We'll see you there. Hi. We in the Progreso. Yeah, we're in Progreso. I don't know what the hell we're doing.
Yeah, going this way. To find something for shot or something. Yeah.
Anyways.
Do we need a picture with these fellow people up here?
No, we don't. But we're in Progreso today. It's more of a shipping port. But anyways, we're gonna go up here, see what's in their little beauty shop. I don't know if we're gonna do the bus over, but are we going over? Oh. Oh, so we're not going over.
I mean, wanna go to the, no thanks. You wanna pick the money?
Yes. Mexico. Let me sit in the shade.
Okay.
Okay, so we're in the port of Progreso. They hecklers. They be on it. Anyways, that's what we're doing. We're just walking through.
Ojibas, señor. Ojibas. Hey, good price for you, señor.
Come see them when you're in Progreso. Come
Progreso,
see them.
Basigar.
Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh. Look.
I said there was rain, but I didn't see it. That's what I put up on the video.
There.
I saw you.
Hey y'all. So we in Progreso.
Their table.
This is probably their time what?
The table where they sit and, you know.
Okay, so got a nice breeze coming up with it.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yes.
We are at the La Sainte Bonnet. La Sainte.
Is over here okay with you? There was a breeze coming through here.
The La Sainte Bonnet. Anyways. Bonnet,
Gotcha.
Bonnet.
No, when I saw those
Anyways, in
tan
Progreso.
sunshades, I remember.
It's good, ain't it?
Girl, you get some good pictures. Just listen right here. This right here. Yeah. And that one. Y'all are both gorgeous. Oh, that's
AC right here.
that's a 2-for-1 margarita.
I have an AC and free shots. Margaritas 2-for-1, pina colada 2-for-1, and a full beer.
Come on, let's go.
You can bring your full with you.
Cheryl, I think this is it, girl.
Hey guys, this is a noisy place or this is a quiet place? What place do you like more? Quiet.
Quiet, that's good, yeah. All right, y'all. We are at it's the place, Cheryl. We're talking about.
The watermelon.
If you're watching this, 2-for-1 margaritas, but it's went up to $7. Right. We got some random shots that they brought to us. Are y'all ready?
All them shot tequila gonna burn your intestines out.
It's good. Yeah.
There's one more for you.
I didn't hear it.
I didn't taste it.
He said
And I didn't feel it.
It didn't taste good.
No, I didn't taste it.
Oh. This is probably my favorite imported beer.
2-for-1 margaritas.
It's just like
Two full of
a little
margaritas.
lighter than Corona. Corona taste.
Yeah, I like it. I
A
like
little,
it.
a little.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah. I want to go to
Yeah.
museums. That's
Okay,
Well,
so,
I'm not going
you know,
right now.
we had a shot of tequila earlier.
well, because it is crazy.
No, I don't know what they're trying
But
to
the
do.
Smithsonian's not going to be crazy.
But they just came out with another round of
This
3
museum
shots.
is not going to be crazy.
You know that fucking
I had a light
That's
breakfast.
fucking a look.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to know what.
Because they're gonna shut you up now.
Oh, I didn't. I don't watch the news because it stresses me out.
Yeah. Dan always around this house.
So I guess I won't be doing that then.
Uh-uh.
No, because I
I don't know what
I
they're
want to
talking
go to the
about,
National Zoo. I want
Oh.
to go to the Smithsonian,
Anyways.
the Sky Museum.
Yeah.
Here we go.
the museum.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Cheers to free liquor.
But yeah, I don't like the White House tour. I don't do the fucking White House tour. I've seen enough movies. I know what that motherfucker looks like.
I already put one of them extra ones in my drink.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Ireland is
behind
So anyway,
England. Because I want to go see the.
don't need to stop here.
No, I want to go see
2-for-1 margaritas. $7.
Oh.
Give me some tacos. Come from free Wi-Fi.
Like, do you,
Yeah, I
have
was
you
thinking
seen
about
it?
Thank you. So, I got 3 straight tacos. 1 shrimp, 1 chicken, 1 beef. Pico de gallo. And then we got it's an appetizer. It comes with cheese sticks, french fries, and some boneless
Chicken bites and guacamole. Is that for your hot dog?
Alright, so we're on our way back. James and Carol had to stop at the pharmacy again to get their stuff. So, anyways, that's what we're doing. It's hot. It is hot, hot. It is hot. Hot up in here. Oh God, he found a fabric store.
So it goes about they charge me $40 for she charged me more for 50 milligrams, 20 pounds. I was like, maybe I should have got one too.
Hi.
Hi, we're in Progreso.
We at Progreso.
Bitches.
Yeah. We doing what we do best.
Nothing.
Period.
And looking fucking fabulous while doing it.
You aggravate me. Thank you. Hey, Scotty J and James here. All right. We did Progreso today. We went and had 2-for-1 margaritas, street tacos. Really, really good. We got back on the ship. Been lazy. Now we're getting out of the room and going to find something to eat because we're hungry. We're hungry. We're hungry. Oh, I need my lanyard. Why is it I always be... Yeah. Anyway. Alright.
Are we gonna go back and tell Carol we're gonna eat?
No, she'll find us. Anyway, we're gonna go eat.